Are you tired of always having to load the washing machine with detergent? Opening cupboards, lifting that heavy container, standing and pressing that annoying button. Hey, we've all had to wash our clothes at some point, am I right? Maybe you have kids, or a dirty dog, or you're just single and clumsy. In any case, your time is important. Scientists estimate that on average, consumers spend 2 years of their lives loading washing machines with detergent. There's a better way to live. Introducing the LDT 3000 Liquid Detergent Tower. Powered by technology known to ancient civilizations for thousands of years. The LDT, with its patent-pending design, will feed your washing machine in just 2 easy steps. Load the washing detergent at the top, open the valve, and feel your anxiety and stress disappear. It's that simple. Now usually, something like this would cost hundreds of dollars to buy, but I will show you how to build one in less than 10 minutes. So wash away those tears of joy and come and join me. Okay, so now that the marketing team is done with the intro, we can get into the build. So as always, the first step is to rip and cut the plywood to size. A few small nails here to temporarily keep the box in place, and add some screws. Making a little hinge door here. You might notice that I made the door slightly smaller at the bottom. It's done so it can easily swing. Okay, next I needed the plastic container to sit on an angle inside the box so I can get most of the liquid out. So I quickly built a little angled ledge. Then I marked where the nozzle hole would be and cut it with a large Forstner bit. I think I forgot to record this. I have to say, Gnocchi has not been very useful during this build. He's still a good boy. Then I positioned the cabinet how it would sit, marked the hole for the hose, and again used the Forstner bit. I've had much better luck making clean holes with the Forstner bit than I have with, a larger drill bit or a hole saw. So as to the attachment of the hose to the container nozzle, it's going to be permanent. I used a silicone gel and these stainless steel hose clamps to make sure everything is nice and tight and water liquid proof. I also made sure that I put just enough silicone gel inside the hose to stick, but not so much as to make a mess or block the interior passage. And the same thing goes for the other side. So then to load the liquid, I put the storage container on its side, put the dishwashing liquid on top, use the widest diameter funnel that would fit. I believe this is 5/8 or 1/2 of an inch. To make sure I don't have to stand and press this button, I just bought this little attachment that can be clamped, and it's that easy. It literally saves you seconds, you know. And I get to walk away only with this, small feeling in the back of my mind that when I return to the detergent, everything spilled everywhere and this was a total disaster. Luckily that wasn't the case, and it seems to work quite well. But yeah, in all honesty, it works quite well. We only have to load the container a couple of months at a time. We've never had any spills. The only thing is getting the right nozzle connection that does not leak, but also not too stiff to operate. The one that we have here works well. I'll link all the products I used in the description below. Thank you again for watching, and see you next time.
Good one, Gromit. I mean, Gnocchi.